Hello everyone, welcome back to another video today, and this video is on the preview for the massive clash this weekend between Chelsea and Newcastle in the Premier League, with Chelsea fighting for the coveted top 4 and Newcastle fighting to guarantee their survival. This is a very important clash and I look into the team news, injury news and a lot more. So will Chelsea get the required victory or injury-riddled Newcastle really pull off a miraculous upset? So let's start the video. Chelsea got a very hard-fought win last week when they beat Sheffield United away from home 2-1. While Newcastle come into this on the back of a morale boosting, a fantastic attacking performance where they beat Southampton 3-2, being 9 men in the end, and they put themselves 10 points above the dreaded relegation spot. These were the results of the two sides last game week. Now we move on to the Newcastle stats this season. So Newcastle this season have acquired 25 points from 23 games where they've won 7, drawn 4, lost 12. They have scored 25 goals this season in 23 games, where 25 goals, 40% of those 25 goals have been scored by Callum Wilson, who is injured for a long time now. And as per reports, he could be out for 6 to 8 weeks. And then they have conceded 38 goals in 23 games, which shows how much leaky their defense is. This was about the Newcastle stats. Now we move on to the previous encounters between the two sides. And in this season, when the sides collided against each other at the St. James Park, Chelsea got a very good 2-0 victory against Newcastle, while in the previous season, Chelsea had beaten them at Stamford Bridge and lost to them last season at St. James Park but beat them at Marzucari. So Chelsea's record against Newcastle in the last some years has really been good. So can they carry it forward? We'll see. So now we move on to the other part of the video, and that is the injury news. And for Newcastle, this is a major problem. They are missing a lot of players. They are missing Lascelles, they are missing player like Fernandes, Manculo is out, Hendrick got a red card against Southampton, so he'll be out. And the biggest miss of them all, Callum Wilson. He's a big miss, and with you needing a goal against Chelsea and no Callum Wilson, you'll really struggle. While Chelsea will miss Thiago Silva, who is most likely to return in Southampton game, even that's a doubt. While Kai Havertz is out for this game, whereas Andreas Christensen had a headache in the last game, so he will be back for this match. So these were the injury news. Now we move on to the likely lineup, and let me start first with Chelsea. So Chelsea for me will be expected to play the same way they've been doing at Thomas Tuchel, play a 3-4-3 formation with Mendy, Azpilicueta, most dependable players, Rudiger and Christensen taking the place of Thiago Silva, Jorginho Kovacic forming the pivot who have been really good on this new manager, Callum Hudson-Odoi going at the right, I don't think it will be Reece James, Alonso at the left, and then I think it will be Mason Mount, fully rested Mason Mount, and Timo Werner, who had a good game against Newcastle last time, and then Tammy Abraham. This will be the Chelsea lineup. Now let me talk about the Newcastle lineup. And in my opinion, Newcastle will be very defensive with the injuries and everything they've got. And they will go with a back 5 with 4 and then a 1. They will go with Darlow, who is very important. He could really keep Newcastle in a little draw and really save a lot. He has been a very good performer this season. With Kieran Clark, Schär and Kraft playing the back 3. Don't be surprised as Steve Bruce made that Lascelles can come back for this game, but still it's a doubt. It's a touch and go. Jamal Lewis at the left. I think Hayden will have to play at the right. Willock and Shelvey will form the middle. Fraser will go at the right. Maximin will go at the left. And the Jolinton will be up. This will be the Newcastle side, in my opinion, who will stay tight and try to counter. This was about the lineup of both the teams. Now we move on to the final part, and that's the prediction. What can we expect? So in tactical way, if we think about, Steve Bruce is just going to sit back, wait for the chance to pounce on Chelsea, and then he will pounce. With players like Maximin, Willock in there, Jolinton, Fraser, they will try to counter Chelsea, while Chelsea will be tasked to break the side, and Jorginho Kovacic will have a big role to break the side with their vertical passes, find Tammy Abraham in the free run. So this will be the way Chelsea can break them down. Overall, for such an injury-riddled Newcastle side without any outlet in form of Callum Wilson, they are really going to struggle. I do not see them scoring in this game, and if they're not going to score, they will not keep a clean sheet. I think Chelsea will come out in this as a 2-0 victors, and they'll strive more closer to the top 4 race. So this was a video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe.